Welcome to Explore, Make Money with NFTs for Beginners. Full course. Make Money with NFTs for Beginners, Full Course. Chapter 8. Different Ways to Promote Your NFTs. You know how important it is to promote your NFTs so that you can attract the most attention and sell your tokens for the highest prices. There are other ways of promoting your NFTs other than social media, and we will explore this in the video. A. Find communities on Discord forums. Discord is a great platform which allows the creation of different communities and chat rooms. There are a lot of people interested in buying NFTs on Discord forums, so this is something that you definitely want to take a look at. The Discord platform offers more than just chat rooms and posting. It is possible for you to store and share images on this platform as well as documents. This is good news when you want to showcase your NFTs. There are public and private communities on Discord. Some of the larger communities of NFT and crypto art require that you are invited to join. It should not be too difficult for you to obtain an invitation to these communities if you are genuine and honest. Forget about blatantly trying to sell your NFTs on Discord forums. This will not go down well at all, and you will probably end up getting banned if you do this too much. Instead, you need to demonstrate your expertise in the market and tell people what your NFT projects are about to build up anticipation. B. Make an application to NFT Hunters. NFT Hunters is a very popular newsletter for collectors and others that are interested in purchasing NFTs. People that subscribe to NFT Hunters receive weekly emails or Telegram messages about what's new and what's hot in the NFT world. Often, the people at NFT Hunters will send out a breaking news email or message about some hot NFTs that are generating a buzz. You can use this to showcase your NFT offerings to potential buyers. Send the NFT Hunters team an email stating the reasons why they should take a look at your NFT creations. C. Reddit is a good place for NFTs. There are many different communities on Reddit, and these are known as subreddits. Reddit has an upvoting feature where users can vote on their favorite content in the communities. The content that has the most votes will appear at the top of the listings. This can get a lot of eyeballs on your content. You will find a number of subreddits already existing for crypto art. The largest of these has around 8 million users. A lot of these will actively scan the subreddit for new content. It is in your interest to join these subreddits and use them as a way to gently introduce the users to your NFTs. When you are using Discord or subreddits to promote your NFTs, have a backstory prepared that you can share with the various communities. People on these platforms are interested to know why you got involved in NFTs and how passionate you are about them. D. Get on Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a fairly new platform that only accepts audio content. There are clubs within Clubhouse dedicated to NFTs, etc. You can join in on audios from other members of the communities and request to speak. There are also general communities on Clubhouse called rooms. These are around many different subjects, and crypto art and NFTs feature fairly regularly. Get yourself in these rooms and request to speak so that you can share your NFT expertise. In the next chapter we will discuss promoting NFTs on social media.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.